How to add multiple audios on Instagram Reel. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily add different audios on your Instagram Reel. But before beginning, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. First thing first, in order to create a new reel, you just have to tap on this plus icon right here and select the reel that you want to post. And from here, if you want to add music, just tap on this icon right here. And from here, you will be able to add music. But in this case, you are only able to add a single music. So what you is use a third-party editing website like CapCut. So you can download it from Google Play Store or even your App Store. Then once you open up your CapCut, tap on New Project to import. Now, once you add your reel, all you have to do here is tap on audio, tap on sounds, and import any sounds from your file if you want, or if you want to use the free sounds from CapCut, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to add this audio right here. And if you want to add multiple, you just go ahead and tap on sounds again and add another audio. So as you can see, here is 2 layers of audio. You want to edit this so that it does not exceed the video. And finally, once you are done, you can just export this video and post it on your Instagram story. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.